See, this is the figure given, and you know the figure, AB is diameter, and after that BC, it is a tangent, and they are joining A to C. Okay, and the AC intersects circle at P. So a tangent has been drawn at P such that it intersects BC at Q. So now the question is, you have to show that the tangent which is drawn from P bisects BC. That means you have to show that BQ is equal to CQ. Okay, so now the first step is join BP. When you join BP, you can see that suppose this is A and B, and somewhere it is P. So if you join BP, what happens? What is the angle here? It is 90 degrees. In grade 9, we have studied that the angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degrees. The angle subtended by diameter is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is 90. Now, AC is a line. So if this is 90, what do you say about BPC? That is also 90. So angle APB plus angle CPB is equal to what? 180 degrees, because it is a linear pair. Is it right? So the whole thing is linear pair. So that implies angle CPB is what? Angle CPB is equal to 90 degrees. CPB. That means I am talking about this angle. This angle is made up of these two angles. So that implies, can I write it as angle BPQ plus angle CPQ is equal to 90 degrees. In place of CPB, I am writing these two. Okay. So let me take it as 1. Now, if I closely watch, so Q is an external point, and what is BQ? Tangent. And what is PQ? PQ is also a tangent. So tangent drawn from an external point Q are equal, right? So now BQ is equal to PQ. Why? Tangents drawn from external point Q are equal. Okay. Now BQ is equal to PQ. See, think about this triangle. What is this triangle? Triangle BQP. I'll draw like this. Okay, let me BPQ, and we got BQ is equal to PQ. So in this triangle, if two sides are equal, what is this triangle called as? Isosceles angle triangle. So what is the property of isosceles triangle? The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So that implies, what is the angle opposite to BQ? BPQ. Angle BP. So started.
Yes.
So in this triangle, according to isosceles triangle property, the opposite angles are equal. So the angle opposite to BQ is BPQ, this angle, and the angle opposite to PQ is PBQ. Angle PBQ, they are equal. Take it as 2. Okay. Now let us take this white one. So in triangle, what is this triangle? CPQ. In triangle CPQ. So what is the sum of all these three angles? 3 angles is equal to 180. What are those 3 angles? Angle CPQ plus PQC plus angle PCQ is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Is it right? So, was it? No, it is not triangle CPQ. Don't take. Triangle BPC. So, in triangle BPC, what are the angles? Angle BPC plus angle PBC plus angle PCB is equal to 180 degrees, right? So here we have seen that BPC is equal to 90 degrees. So is this 90 degrees? This is 90 degrees, right? And PBC, can I write it as PBQ? PBC and PBQ are the same, right? So let me write PBQ plus and PCB. Can I write it as PCQ is equal to 180 degrees. So if I transpose, what happens? Angle PBQ plus angle PCQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is nothing but 90 degrees. Now next, so PBQ from 2, in place of PBQ, can I write BPQ? So in place of PBQ, I am writing it as PBQ plus angle PCQ is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and from this equation, what is BPQ? If you transpose CPQ, what will happen? So is it 90 degrees minus CPQ? So in place of BPQ, I am writing it as 90 minus angle CPQ plus angle PCQ is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 and 90 gets cancelled. So therefore, if I transpose minus CPQ to other side, it will become PCQ is equal to CPQ. Okay, do I get? Now in this triangle, see what is PCQ? PCQ is this angle, and what is CPQ? CPQ is this angle. So these two angles are equal. So therefore, in triangle PCQ, so these two angles are equal. That means what is this triangle? Isosceles triangle. So opposite sides are equal. What are these opposite sides? The opposite sides of PCQ is PQ is equal to CPQ. What is opposite side? CQ. So these two are equal. So from second. Now let us say from this one, we got BQ is equal to PQ, right? Let us take it as some third equation, and this is fourth equation. So from third and fourth, what is third? BQ is equal to PQ, and what is fourth? PQ is equal to CQ. So that means BQ is equal to CQ. So when BQ and CQ are equal, that means Q is the midpoint. That means Q is midpoint. So when Q is midpoint, that means this, what is this? Tangent PQ bisects BC. So therefore, tangent PQ bisects BC. Proved.